We're gonna talk about a major hack for weight loss with apple cider vinegar, so stay tuned. Is how to break a fast intentionally. Now, that bad bacteria is craving the sweets. It's craving the things that we don't want. That's gonna spike our insulin levels. That's gonna keep us from being able to achieve our weight loss goals, okay? So let's talk about some of the fasting hacks that Mindy uses for weight loss, okay? Dr. Mindy Pelz uses a 4-step process, and her 4-step process is this. Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlene Town, and on this channel we talk all things healthy girl lifestyle, mindset, movement, and fasting. And today's video, you guys, is all about how to break your fast intentionally, okay? This is video 2 in a fasting series that I'm doing for you guys, where I'm gonna be alternate day fasting because I'm trying to achieve weight loss. And so the benefits and the things that we're gonna talk about today of how to break your fast, hacks on things that you can do while you're fasting to help accelerate weight loss. We're gonna talk about all those things. This topic actually came from a follower over on Instagram. I had one of my followers reach out, said, hey girl, I saw you did a 72-hour fast to help heal your immune system. I have chronic illness too. I'm in the middle of doing a 72-hour fast as well. How do you recommend I break my fast? And so I gave her my tips and tricks on how to break a 72-hour fast in a slow and steady way to get the gut healing properties to really help boost the immune system and really support yourself after such a long fast, okay? If this is your first video with me, really quickly, as soon as my cycle starts, I'm going to be doing alternate day fasting. Now, I'm not fasting right now because it's the week before my cycle and I'm supporting progesterone and I'm keeping my fasts low. If you guys want to know more about that, I highly recommend reading the book Fast Like a Girl by Dr. Mindy Pelz. All of this knowledge comes from Dr. Mindy Pelz, so please feel free to go follow her channel. I will have videos linked in the description box down below for you. Her channel is fantastic. I just want to share with you how I've taken her information and how I apply it in my everyday life and how I apply it to fasting, okay? So I have decided to give myself the challenge of doing alternate day fasting for 3 weeks in a row because obviously I'll fast for the 3 weeks where it's okay to fast around my hormones, and then I'm gonna have the week off when I'm trying to support progesterone where I will not be doing the fasting, okay? So I'm gonna be doing 24-hour fasts every other day, and I'm going to be doing a 36-hour fast once a week because 24-hour fasts help heal the gut and 36-hour fasts help with weight loss. If you guys want to know more about 24 and 36-hour length fasts, watch video 1. I will have it pop up on the screen right here for you guys because I talked all about that in last week's video. So today's video is how to break a fast intentionally. It depends on the fast, okay? So in today's video, we're gonna stick to 24-hour length fasts and 36-hour length fasts, okay? Because I wanna heal my gut. I wanna help feed the good gut bacteria and help get rid of the bad gut bacteria, right? Let's talk quickly about why it's important to break your fast intentionally, because how you break your fast matters. You see, when you're fasting, your body is healing cells and healing your gut. And so you want to stay with those healing benefits by supporting your body coming out of a fast in an intentional way, right? That is why I like to break my fasts intentionally, because I want to continue the benefits of healing the gut. I want to continue the benefits of weight loss. I want to continue the benefits of cleaning up my cells, right? Because the whole point for me of using fasting as a tool for weight loss, for healing my immune system, for healing my SIBO gut issues, right? Like I'm using fasting as a tool. And so I want to continue supporting my body even after my fast, right? Because if you do a 24-hour fast and you can continue on the benefits and be eating, we want to continue on those benefits. Know what I'm saying? At least I do, okay? So Dr. Mindy Pelz recommends a 4-step process. The first step is bone broth. Why bone broth? Bone broth has glycine in it, and glycine helps heal your gut mucosal lining. We want that if we have gut issues, and most people need this, okay? Especially if we've been taking antibiotics, birth control, we've been eating the standard American diet for a really long time, we need to heal the gut. And so putting that glycine in there first thing, that's gonna start healing your mucosal lining, okay? And for me specifically, I have SIBO gut issues, and so healing the gut is really important for me, okay? Now, I make a chicken bone broth soup, and I just drink the broth first thing, because I can't just drink straight bone broth. Like, it's just It's so gross, okay? So I make a chicken bone broth soup. I have a video where I made it with you guys. I will have that linked right here. Go check that out when I'm done. I will also have it linked in the description box down below. Go get that recipe. It is delicious. A cup or 2 cups of bone broth. Get that glycine in your gut. So important. 2, probiotic rich foods. Now, for me personally, because I have SIBO gut issues, I just started incorporating Greek yogurt into my diet. So I plan on using Greek yogurt in this process in the next couple weeks. However, in the past, I've just used my seed probiotic. I take my seed probiotic. It's a pre and probiotic, so it feeds all the good gut bacteria, and we love it, okay? You can also do things like kombucha and kimchi and those kinds of things. I'm not big on fermented foods, so that one's a little bit hard for me. But I take my probiotic every single day, okay? So I'm still feeding the good gut bacteria. The next part is steamed vegetables, okay? Mostly because when you come out of a longer fast, it's harder for your body to digest those really fibrous foods. That's why I make the soup, okay? Because this soup has the bone broth, it's got carrots and zucchini, and I put kale in there, and they're softer, so they're easier to digest. We love that. And then the final step to this 4-step process is protein. So the chicken bone broth soup has shredded chicken in it, so then I'll eat the chicken, okay? And so the system that I like to do is I'll have a cup or 2 of bone broth, I'll wait 20-30 minutes, and then I'll have some of the veggies, and then I'll wait 20-30 minutes, and then I'll eat the chicken, right? And I will have taken my seed probiotic before eating all of this food, okay? So that it gets into the gut first. So I get all of the things, okay? We're healing the gut, we're feeding the good gut bacteria, and we're getting all the things that we need, okay? So that is a really great way to break any longer fast, whether it's 24 hours, 36 hours, or 72 hours. Honestly, that's how I broke my 72-hour fast. And it was great. And the cool thing about breaking your fast in this way is you're eating slowly, you're less likely to binge after your longer fast. And 2, it's like slowly warming up your digestion. And by the time you get to the protein, you're like, okay, I'm gonna eat some protein, and then you're full, right? Listen to your body, be full, it's okay. And then you'll be more conscious and probably more likely to eat a healthier meal next, right? Okay, so let's talk about some of the fasting hacks that Mindy uses for weight loss, okay? Weight loss specifically, for instance, if you want to continue burning fat after you're in a fasted state. One of Dr. Mindy Pelz's favorite ways to break a fast and encourage healthy weight loss is to eat healthy fats. So she'll do Andrea seed oil, she'll do a half of an avocado, and her favorite way is like a half of an avocado with kimchi in it, maybe some pumpkin seeds, and she uses flaxseed oil. Now, I do that. If you guys have been following me for a little while, you guys have seen my favorite breakfast bowl that I make has greens and apple cider vinegar, which we're gonna talk about, a major hack for weight loss with apple cider vinegar, so stay tuned. But it's got the apple cider vinegar, half of an avocado, pumpkin seeds, flaxseed oil, and I do eggs because this girl loves eggs and you need that protein, right? So that's an excellent way to break a fast and continue healthy weight loss, okay? Now, Dr. Mindy Pelz recommends just doing the healthy fats and then waiting an hour. So just eating a half of an avocado and then to have a meal an hour later, okay? Now, she says to do this if you are somebody who, as soon as you get done with a long fast, you are starving, you're looking forward to whatever it is, right? So instead of eating something that maybe isn't healthy, something like a hamburger or french fries or fast food or something really sugary, right? She says to break your fast with a healthy fat because it's going to satiate you, it's going to make you feel full, and then if you wait an hour, it helps regulate your blood sugar so that you don't crave those high carb type foods, right? So if you're somebody who gets done with any fast and you're like, I just want to eat all the carbs, I just want to eat all the this, it's best not to eat those things right after a fast because you're just going to spike your blood sugar levels and it's going to wreck weight loss. So the whole point of fasting is to get over into your fat burner stage so that we can lose weight. When you eat food, you become a sugar burner, right? So you're burning the sugar that you're giving your body, right? So when you're fasting, hopefully we've metabolically switched over into our fat burning stage, which is what we want for fat burning weight loss purposes, right? So spiking that blood sugar level is not what we want. That's why we want to do healthy fats, something that's going to help regulate your blood sugar and keep your blood sugar levels down so you keep staying in the fat burner stage after you've done your longer fast. right? Because the whole point of doing longer fasts is to help budge weight loss, especially a 36-hour fast. Like that one specifically targets belly fat weight loss, okay? So we don't want to just like immediately drop in the sugar with the high carb meals, right? So we want to keep them to healthy fats, okay? And also healthy fats like avocado and MCT oil, Andreas seed oils, they help kill your hunger hormone. So you're not as likely to go out and binge eat something, right? Because after not eating for so long, we all get hungry, and we've all been there. We've all like overeaten after a longer fast. So this will help cut that hunger hormone, okay? So let's talk about another way to break your fast intentionally and help continue weight loss, okay? So I think everybody knows that the more muscle you have, the higher your metabolism is. So Dr. Mindy Pelz recommends to eat lean protein to break your fast, and she pairs it with exercise. So say you're doing a fast, and about 20 minutes before you're gonna break your fast, she says do 20 minutes of either HIIT cardio training or lifting heavy weights and really get that mTOR, and then go and break your fast with healthy, lean, clean protein. And then it's gonna help build a long, lean, muscular body that I think all of us are looking for. So I'm definitely going to be trying this hack, especially with these 24-hour fasts. And we're gonna be experimenting. So come along this journey with me. Well, let's talk about a hack that Dr. Mindy Pelz has been talking about a lot lately, which is apple cider vinegar and the benefits of apple cider vinegar with weight loss, okay? I'm so excited about this one, and I'm really excited to try this one because I love apple cider vinegar. I use it on my salad every single morning. I use it to make all of my dressings. I really like it. So I'm really excited to try this hack, okay? The first thing that we really want to know about apple cider vinegar is that it is a prebiotic that is going to help feed the good gut bacteria in your gut, which we want that because we want to feed the good gut bacteria so that we can change our gut microbiome so that we can start losing weight. Because if our gut is out of whack, we're going to hold on to weight, right? And when our gut has more bad gut bacteria than it has good gut bacteria, that bad bacteria is craving the sweets. It's craving the things that we don't want. That's going to spike our insulin levels. That's going to keep us from being able to achieve our weight loss goals, okay? So we want our gut in a good place. That's why we want the prebiotic foods. That's why we want to take our probiotics and really feed our gut, okay? The other benefit of apple cider vinegar, not only does it help feed that good gut bacteria, but it helps lower your blood sugar levels so that you can metabolically switch faster back over into the fat burner stage, which is what you want when you're trying to achieve weight loss, okay? Mind blown, we love that, okay? So it helps lower your blood sugar levels. So how can we use apple cider vinegar to keep our blood sugar levels low so that we can metabolically switch back to our fat burner stage faster? This is excellent information to have, especially as us women, the week before our period, we go into more of a hormone feasting phase, right? So we want to focus on our carbs that come from nature, so sweet potatoes, right? We are going to start probably incorporating a little bit more magnesium, which is 100% cacao, right? We're going to start eating more carb heavy meals. And a really cool way to use apple cider vinegar is you can have a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar before you eat a carb heavy meal, and it's going to help keep your blood sugar levels down, okay? So you're not gonna spike your insulin levels as high as you would if you just ate the meal, okay? So you can take a tablespoon in like a cup of water. I think I'm just gonna take it straight. Another thing, because apple cider vinegar has been proven to lower blood sugar levels, if you went crazy and you had like a really high carb meal, totally fine. Take a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water or just by itself, whatever feels good to you, after your meal, and it will help lower your blood sugar levels, okay? Awesome. Like so many benefits from apple cider vinegar, and let's use them. Another thing that apple cider vinegar does for your gut is it kills those bad pathogens that are living in your gut. The bad gut bacteria, the pathogens that are in there that are craving sugar, that are craving those carbs, that are craving the high fat foods with the yucky oils and all the things that we don't really want to eat, right? It kills those guys. So it's going to physically change your gut microbiome, which we love, which means your taste taste buds are gonna change, which means you're gonna crave healthier foods, which means it's gonna be easier to lose the weight because you're eating healthier, right? And we're not gonna have those big sugar cravings anymore because it's killing those pathogens. We love that. Excellent. Thank you. So when is the best time to utilize this hack of apple cider vinegar? The best time to drink apple cider vinegar or to incorporate it into your diet is when you are in a fasted state, okay? When you have nothing else in your system. Dr. Mindy Pelz actually recommends drinking a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar during your fast, okay? So it's going to feed the good gut bacteria, it's going to kill the pathogens in your gut, and it's going to start changing your gut microbiome, which is going to help you metabolically switch faster into a fat burner stage, and we love that. Like, that is fantastic. Those are the things that we want, okay? There's a study out there that says 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar during your fasted window will accelerate your microbiome state. So this is especially good for people who have SIBO, like me. How about you? This is good for people who have gut issues, diarrhea, constipation, like those kinds of gut issues. This is gonna help you, okay? And also helping heal those things is going to help with weight loss because you don't want to be holding on to all those extra toxins in your gut, okay? You want to get rid of them, get them out, be healthy, right? This is also really good if you aren't getting those weight loss benefits that you are looking for from fasting, which I feel like that's me, okay? I know I've got SIBO gut issues. I've been working on my detox pathways. I have been working on diet. I've been working on a bunch of different things. So we're gonna try incorporating some apple cider vinegar during my fasted window to try to help accelerate healing the gut microbiome, which is what we're going for. We're gonna break our fast with bone broth and probiotic rich foods, lean proteins to help build a lean physique. So I am so excited to apply all these principles in the next 3 weeks with you guys. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe. More videos will be popping up on the screen right here. And if you made it to this part of the video, go ahead and click this button right here. I would love to have you come join the fam. Come learn how to live a healthy lifestyle effortlessly. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.